Hey there, fellow learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something truly exciting to share with you. As technology continues to shape the landscape of education, artificial intelligence tools have emerged as invaluable resources for students. Studying in a prestigious university comes with heavy academic pressure and large volume of academic tasks. Today we will be telling you about the top AI tools that help make your academic learning process more efficient and reduce the heavy workload of your rigorous course. Let's dive into the top AI tools that can supercharge your learning journey. First up, we have Tome.AI. Imagine having an AI-powered PowerPoint maker that can simplify your life. Well, with Tome.AI, that dream becomes a reality. Just type in the topic and other details into the prompt generator and voila! You instantly get a well-structured AI-generated PowerPoint presentation. It's that easy. Check out Tome.ai at Tome app. Next on our list is Upword.ai. We all know how daunting it can be to summarize long texts and make notes out of them. But fear not. Upword.ai is here to save the day. This fantastic AI tool can help summarize lengthy textbooks into short, readable text, making it a breeze to create concise notes. Say goodbye to information overload. Visit Upword.ai to experience the magic. Now let me introduce you to ChatGPT. It's a wonderful all-purpose AI that can write anything under the sun. Whether you need help with an essay, want creative writing prompts, or simply want to chat with an intelligent AI, ChatGPT has got your back. It's like having a writing companion whenever you need it. Exploring the limitless possibilities at chatopenai.com. Next up, we have unscreen.com. Have you ever wanted to remove the background from your recorded videos and replace it with something more suitable? Well, unscreen.com has the solution. This novel AI tool uses its magic to effortlessly remove the background from your videos, allowing you to choose the perfect backdrop. Unleash your creativity with unscreen.com and visit their website to let the magic unfold. Moving on, we have Doctrina.ai. It's an AI tool that focuses on making mock question papers out of any book or academic text. With Doctrina.ai, you can generate customized question papers for practice, revision, or test preparation. Say goodbye to repetitive question solving. Enhance your understanding with Doctrina.ai. Check it out at Doctrina.ai. Last but not the least, we have Duolingo. Duolingo is a powerful AI-based app that teaches you languages in small, digestible chunks. Duolingo has been a favorite among language learners for its engaging lessons, personalized approach, and gamified learning experience. Whether you want to learn Spanish, French, German, or any other language, Duolingo has got you covered. Start a learning journey today at Duolingo.com. By incorporating these incredible AI tools into your learning journey, you can unlock new possibilities and enhance your skills, prepare yourself for the future of education. Don't miss out on these amazing resources. And for more useful tips, subscribe to Leverage Edu's YouTube channel.